Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be discussing damaged headlights. More specifically, headlights that have been sprayed with clear coat. What happens when your clear coat starts to chip away, and what can you do to make your headlights look perfect again? So stay tuned for the process and the final result. The most important thing that you have to do in order to polish this headlight to perfection is to actually remove it from the car, which on the E90 series of this BMW is a process that is done after you remove the front bumper. Once the headlight is removed, we will start sanding down the headlight. So for this process we will be using the dry sanding papers. We will be using net pattern papers in this case, as they are ideal for the removal of the clear coat. After we use the 240 for the removal, then we will move on 400, 500, 800, 1000, 1500 and 2000 sand grit. We will use an electric circular polisher from company Mirka. So let's begin the sanding process. After you've finished the sanding process with all the grits that I've shown you previously, the headlight, ready for polishing, should look something like this. So now we'll start returning the shine to the headlight using the wool pad on a rotary polisher using the hard cut pastes. After that we will use the mid paste as well as the finishing paste, and then we will apply ceramic coating. Only after all of those processes are done, the headlight will look perfect, just like new. So let's begin, boys and girls. The result you see here is what we get after using only the rough paste, the rough cut. And now we will see the result after we use the medium paste, the finisher paste, the ceramic coating, etc. Now, look at this fabulous result we got after we applied ceramic coating to the plastic of this headlight. We applied the ceramic coating so that the headlight would not gain the matte finish over time and to stay protected for as long as possible. I do hope that this video helped you out, and all I am asking you to do is, well, to like, share and subscribe. Make sure to ring the bell icon so that you would get all the future notifications. Comment if you have any questions. Please feel free to ask. I will try to help you out as much as I can. And until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and see you next time, boys and girls. Goodbye.